MakerVerse offers an extensive CNC machining offering. CNC for metal and for polymer materials are both available. Combined, we have over 150 plus materials and 35 plus finishes for you to choose from. We are able to produce your part with only a 3D file. However, if your part specification needs go beyond ISO 2768-MK standards, then a technical drawing is required. For that, we have built an advanced AI engine to extract your product manufacturing information from your technical drawing to provide you a more accurate part quotation. Once the technical drawing is uploaded, you can go ahead and get your auto quote. The system will read and understand your technical drawing and extract any materials, finishes, tolerances, features, and notes. This, combined with the 3D metadata extracted from your 3D file, are used with our AI pricing engine to give you an accurate purchasable price for your part. This advanced AI PMI extraction engine takes a little bit of time. There is quite a lot going on in the background. Sit back and relax or grab yourself a coffee. It will only take a few minutes. Once done, you can see the extracted material and finishes here. Using the AI engine, the technical drawing you provided has been used to configure your part as intended, and the shown price properly reflects your requirements. Depending on your project needs, you can select from different lead time options. The respective lead time and business days are shown here. Simply select your desired lead time and click Generate Online Quote to receive your quote right away. If you have any concerns regarding the manufacturability of your part or would like more pricing and lead time options, click Request Engineering Review. You'll get a response from our service team within 24 hours of your request. Each step of the way, the MakerVerse CNC manufacturing technology offering provides you AI-enhanced auto pricing for your parts.